Hello, dear viewers. There's a moment when you leave the city behind, and the world suddenly feels wider. The noise fades, the sky opens up, and all that's left is possibility. That's the magic of life on the road, and the 2026 Honda Motorhome takes that feeling and turns it into a lifestyle. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your passport to freedom. A rolling home built for people who want to wake up next to mountains one week, beaches the next, and anywhere their heart decides to roam after that. From the outside, the Honda Motorhome immediately grabs attention. The design is sleek, almost futuristic, with a smooth, aerodynamic body that seems to cut through the air even when standing still. The dual-tone color options, especially that pearl white with midnight blue accents, give it a premium presence. Up front, the sculpted LED headlights flow into a clean, confident grille, while the side profile balances elegance with rugged practicality. Its elevated stance and reinforced wheel arches make it clear that this motorhome isn't just built for highways. It's ready for dusty trails, uneven back roads, and spontaneous detours that turn into unforgettable stories. Step inside, and it feels like a luxury apartment compressed into the perfect travel size. Soft-touch materials wrap around the cabin, warm ambient lighting sets the mood, and the layout feels open and inviting. The queen-size bed in the rear is plush enough to rival a hotel suite, while the compact kitchen features a smart induction cooktop, a surprisingly deep sink, and a fridge perfectly sized for long road trips. The living area offers a comfy lounge that doubles as a workspace, with panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Even the bathroom feels well thought out, with a modern shower, clean finishes, and just the right amount of space. Driving the 2026 Honda Motorhome is where the surprise really hits. You expect something this size to feel heavy, maybe slow, but it doesn't. Honda's refined hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, confident acceleration. The intelligent all-wheel drive system adapts instantly to gravel, mud, or steep inclines, making it feel secure and capable wherever you point it. Handling is impressive for its size, and fuel efficiency is noticeably better than most motorhomes in its class. Technology adds another layer of convenience. You get a crystal-clear navigation display, adaptive cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, a premium sound system, and onboard Wi-Fi with optional satellite connectivity for those truly off-grid adventures. Safety features like lane keeping assist and collision mitigation work quietly in the background, giving you peace of mind on every stretch of road. Honda also leans into sustainability here. The hybrid setup keeps fuel consumption low, and optional rooftop solar panels help power interior systems without relying heavily on external sources. It's efficient, clean, and smartly designed for long-term travel. Starting in the mid-$90,000 range, the 2026 Honda Motorhome offers a blend of luxury, capability, and freedom that feels worth every dollar. It's not just an RV, it's a home designed to move with you, wherever life leads. So if you're dreaming of the open road, of waking up to new horizons and writing your own adventure story, the 2026 Honda Motorhome might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Pack your curiosity, grab the keys, and let the journey begin.